Just trying to determine if I can replace part R7184b with R7284b and what complications I might expect with the switch.
I'll do all I can to help. How long have you been dealing with this?
2 weeks.
Do you plan on doing the work yourself?
Yes.
Anything else we should know to help you best?
This is a dual furnace, one side oil, other is coal. It's a Keystoker.
Yes, the parts are entirely interchangeable if you have an L1 and L2 as well as a limit connection.
How do I determine if that is something on the furnace?
It's on the R7184. Those are terminals on your control. If you have leads to every one, then it's just a matter of swapping lead for lead.
Still working on this problem. I went to a place that sells furnace parts, new. Was told part #R7184b, 1024, Beckett by Honeywell part has been discontinued on January 27, 2012, and that part #R7284b 1024 Honeywell part is a direct replacement. So bought the $100 part, and when it was put in the furnace there appears to be an extra wire and furnace still won't start. I was also told by another HVAC company that the part that is a replacement is Beckett 7505b. I took the part I need with me when I purchased the replacement part. So silly me thought the company that sold me the part knew what to give me. Now I'm probably screwed out of the dollars spent on the part he sold me. And still there is no heat in the house. Except for space heaters. Feeling pretty frustrated. Do you have any advice, or should I cut my losses and call a professional?
The 7184 South African Rand is a Honeywell, not a Beckett part. Yes, it has been discontinued. The 7284 South African Rand is a direct replacement. If you follow the wiring diagram and the instructions, you should be okay. If you're still having trouble, show me a picture of the control as you have it wired. The Beckett ignition control will also work. There is no functional difference between an R7284 and the Beckett 7505b. Click on the link below for info on posting pics/files here. http://worldwar2.justanswer.com/help/how do I send photo or file expert HL.
If you have a home improvement or appliance question and want to chat with an expert now, visit justanswer.com/ythi.